Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Many of you guys might be already on this update, but I just bought this watch and this update is new for me. So if you're someone who just bought their new Galaxy Watch 7, so this video is for them. You can also watch the ASMR unboxing of this watch, the link will be in the description. So you just have to simply go into your settings, then you have to tap on software update and download and install. From here you will get to see that a new update is available of 177 MBs with the November 1st 2024 security patch. You just have to simply wait over here and this update will download. You can download it directly from your watch or you can download it from your smartphone. And once downloaded, you just have to simply tap on install now. But make sure to install it when your watch is completely free, as you will be unable to use your watch during the installation process. Also, if you want to download this update, you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi or your smartphone. Then you can install the update after downloading it. And this installation process might take a while, so you will have to wait patiently over here. Also, let me know in the comment section that have you installed this update already on your device or not. And as you can see, the watch is now updated and it is on the latest version. If you will tap on download and install, it will now check for the new updates and it will say that the watch is on the latest version. You will have to wait for a while until it is checking for the new updates, and as you can see, it is now showing that your watch is up to date. Now your watch is on the latest version of the software update. So if you just bought your new Galaxy Watch 7, this is how you can update your watch to the latest software version. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video about this new update, and if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.